you at?
We're on the ground in Little Rock.
Okay, copy that. Stand by for PDC. PC 2349, wind at Little Rock, 230 at 5, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 22 left, 2349.
Yes, 289 at Iggy, cleared ILS, approach runway 16 left, Jackson.
Iggy, cleared ILS, 16 left, approach GPS 289.
And GPS 289, wind at Jackson 260 at 13 gust 20, runway 16 left, clear to land.
Runway 16 left, clear to land, GPS 289. Center GBM 2 Romeo Sierra is climbing through 3000.
GBM 762 Romeo Sierra, radar contact on 3000. I'll maintain flight level 280, proceed direct to Mike Alpha.
280 Duck Marion 2 Romeo Sierra, Roger.
Okay, this real 1 lead my airspace to the west, radar services terminated, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 8301, you have a good day.
Do have a good one.
I'm at the Center 2349 has airport in sight. I'd like to cancel our IFR.
2349, IFR cancellation received. IFR cancellation received, clock VFR.
Walk in VFR 2349. Thanks for your help.
TPC 2349, remain on this frequency. That airport is still controlled there.
2349.
American 3771, turn left heading 360, vectors for the ILS, 16 left. Turn left heading 360, vectors for the ILS, runway 16 left.
130 Vegas for the ILS.
Also reduce speed 250 knots or less, please.
250 knots or less for 36.
Memphis Center, American 1028, we're ready to taxi.
American 1028, runway 22 left, taxi via uniform Romeo.
Runway 22 left via uniform Romeo for American 1028.
American 3771 to maintain 2005, under turn right heading 27. So turn right heading 090.
Right 090 and down to 2,500, American 3771.
Next 834, contact approach 125.8.
Was that for FedEx 800 over to approach?
FedEx 834, contact approach 125.8.
Approach 125.8, FedEx 834, have a nice day.
UPC 2349, taxi to the parking via Tango.
Parking via Tango 2249.
American 3771, turn right heading 130.
Right 130, American 3771.
Memphis Center, American 1028, rolling short 22 left, ready to go.
American 3771, join the runway 16 left, localizer report established.
We'll join 16 left localizer, report when established, 3771.
American 1028, runway 22 left, wind at Little Rock 2305. Fly runway heading clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading runway 22 left, clear for takeoff, American 1028.
And American 3771, we're established on 16 left localizer.
3771, cleared ILS approach runway runway 16 left, wind at Jackson 26013, gust 20. Runway 16 left, clear line.
16 left, clear line, American 3771.
Memphis Center, Delta 249er with you at 150, climbing 160.
Up to 249, welcome, climb, maintain flight level 350. Yes, 289, where you parking at Jackson today?
Say again for 289.
Where are you guys parking there?
West Cargo.
Yes, 289, taxi to West Cargo via Charlie, Bravo, Alpha, and Alpha 4.
Charlie Bravo Alpha Alpha 4 for UPS 289. You have a great day. Thanks for the ATC.
Problem, you have one is, you have a good day as well there.
Climb and maintain 350, Delta 249.
Delta 490, 3 radar contact 30 east of the Nashville VOR 360. Welcome aboard.
Delta 249, can you say that again?